To replace the colored drum, begin by powering the printer off. Open the front cover of the printer and turn the two green levers counterclockwise to open the printer's inner cover. Lift up the ring pull handle on the colored drum and carefully pull the drum unit completely out. Unbox the replacement drum unit and remove all protective covering and orange tape. Carefully insert the drum into the space horizontally and pull the release tape attached to the drum. Push in on the front of the drum until the unit clicks into place. Then lower the handle located on the front to secure the drum's position. Firmly close the printer's inner cover. Turn the two green levers clockwise to lock the cover into place. Close the printer's front cover, then power the printer on.